Hello everyone, my name is Anil Davar from JNKVB College of Agriculture Riva. Today I am tell about classes of pure seed. Seed definition. Seed is defined as fertilized matured ovule consisting of an embryonic plant together with a store of food all surrounded by a protective coat. The seed is the embryonic stage of the plant life cycle. Most seeds consist of three parts: embryo, endosperm, and seed coat. The embryo is the tiny plant that has a root, a stem, and one or more leaves. The endosperm is nutritive tissue of the seed, often a combination of starch, oil, and protein. Classes of seed: nuclear seed, breeder seed, foundation seed. Foundation seed 1, foundation seed 2, register seed, certified seed, certified seed 1, certified seed 2. Nuclear seed. This is the 100% genetically pure seed with physical purity and produced by the original breeder and institute and state agriculture university from basic nucleus seed stock. Next point, a pedigree certificate is issued by the processing breeder. Breeder seed. The progeny of nucleus seed multiplied in large area as indent of Department of Agriculture and Cooperation and Ministry of Agriculture and Government of India under supervision of Plant Breeder Institute and monitoring by a committee consisting of the representatives of state seed certification agency, national and state seed corporation, ICR, NOMI, and concerned breeder. This is also 100% physical and genetic pure seed from production of foundation seed. A golden yellow color certificate is issued for this category of seed by the processing breeder. General standard: genetic purity 100%, physical purity 100%, minimum germination 100%. Seed tag color golden yellow, size of tag 12 into 6 cm. Breeder seed tag color. Next point, foundation seed. The progeny of breeder seed produced by recognized seed producing agencies in public and private sector under supervision of seed certification agency in such a way that its quality is maintained according to prescribed field seed standard. A white color certificate is issued for foundation seed by seed certification agency. Next point, foundation seed stage first. The foundation seed produced from breeder seed. Next point, foundation seed stage 2. The foundation seed produced from foundation seed stage first. It is used for the production of certain category of seed. General standard of foundation seed: genetic purity 99.5%, physical purity 98%, minimum germination 70 to 85%. Foundation seed has white tag. Size of foundation seed 5 into 7.5 cm. Next point, register seed. Register seed shall be the progeny of foundation seed that is so handled as they maintain its genetic identity and purity according to standard specified for the particular crop being certified. A purple color certificate is issued from the category of seed. Point: the minimum percentage of pure seed and maximum permissible limit for inert matter other crop seed have been prescribed. Next point: certified seed. The progeny of foundation seed produced by registered seed grower under supervision of seed certification agency to maintain the seed quality as per minimum seed certification standard. A blue color certificate is issued by seed certification agency for this category of seed. The foundation seed and certified seed can be multiplied at stage 1 and stage 2, but the reproduction cannot exist 3 generations after breeder seed. Next point: certified seed stage first. Certified seed produced from foundation seed stage second. Certified seed stage 2. Certified seed produced from certified seed stage first. It is generally permitted when the reproduction does not